Good afternoon, one and all. Respected Chief Guest, Dr. Samuel Paul Isaac, Director, Krupanidhi Group of Institutions, all the invitees, subunit executives, dignitaries, pastors from different churches, elders, and to you, my dear brothers and sisters. First of all, I give thanks to the Almighty God for giving us this beautiful day to welcome our new brothers and sisters to the family. Welcome one and all to the 49th Freshers Meet Naga Students Union Bangalore, sponsored by Smoky Tribe Restaurant, Somilan Steakhouse, Brand Neurons, Crossroad Cafe, Angami Students Union Bangalore, Lota Students Union Bangalore, Rengma Union Bangalore, and Maring Students Union Bangalore. As we celebrate 49 Freshers Meet, I must applaud the former leaders who had taken the responsibility of leading the interests and struggles of Nagas in Bangalore. I so much respect and admire their strength and courage in bringing Nagas under one umbrella and as one family. As we were planning for this program, we really wanted a chief guest to be somebody who has good experience in educational field, and I must say we have got a perfect one. I am pretty much sure that most of us heard about Krupanidhi Group of Institutions. It has so many colleges under their wings. They have pharmacy college, they have physiotherapy college, a nursing college, a business school, a degree college, a pre-university college, and a residential PU college and an international school. It has more than 6,000 students from 20 countries. And today, we have in our midst the director of Krupanidhi Group of Institutions, Dr. Samuel Paul Isaac. Sir, we are really glad that you are part of this program. He has more than 30 years of experience in education field. He also has a doctorate degree in physiotherapy. And he is also a very good musician. Sir, if you don't mind, can you please stand on your feet so that you can, yes. We have arranged a small token of appreciation. Thank you, sir. Today we have in our midst our brothers and sisters from different states representing their states. Brothers and sisters, your presence here today proves your priceless concern about our Naga brothers and sisters. We, the seven sisters, have a special bond, and we will continue to share this bond. Thank you, and we welcome you to the program. Today is a colorful day, since we also set to celebrate our culture and tradition. We have a very rich culture. Let's celebrate the rich culture and tradition which makes our existence and identity more profound and unique. We Nagas sees ourselves as unity in diversity with multi-ethnic thrives in a vibrant manner with different linguistic and traditional affinity. We are not gathered here today not only to celebrate Freshers' Day, but also to celebrate our diversity. We gathered here to the celebration of our unity and to welcome the new faces, which signifies a new beginning and a change as well. I, on behalf of the Naga Students Union Bangalore, welcome one and all to the 49 Freshers Meet 2018. Lastly, I, on behalf of all the Nagas residing in Bangalore, welcome all the freshers to the family and to the wonderful city of Bangalore. One struggle, one goal, Kugnalim.